There's some friends that I know living in this town, and I've come far to see them. Gonna track them down. They live in a brick house, painted white and brown. Left a tip for the maid, and I packed up my guitar, dropped my key on the counter, rented a car. Gonna hook up with them later and go hit the bars. I need a big weekend, kick out the dust. Yeah, big weekend. If you don't run, you rust. Well, I may shake your hand, but I won't know your name. The joke in your language don't come out the same. There's times when I'm down and there's nothing to blame. I need a big weekend, kick out the dust. Yeah, big weekend. If you don't run, you rust. Every border with nothing to declare. You can look back, baby, but it's best not to stare. I need a big weekend, kick out the dust. Yeah, big weekend. If you don't run, you rust.
You're going far beyond way beyond your expectations. It's Mother Nature. She's persuaded you. She's put you in the cockpit of your dreams. Hands down. Because you know it's the dream mecca. At a certain time each day, people do not face east and fall to their knees in prayer. They drive west on sunset. One hand, one chance, one shot. It's a different way that you can pray. On the highway. Transcendental highway. It has no beginning. It has no real end. It's got its own style. You never seem to get any closer to the horizon. It just goes on and on and on. Forever. So let me welcome you on this bright and sunny day. You can use the carpool lane. There's nothing more you have to pay to get on the highway. Transcendental highway. You don't need to follow the white lines anymore. You can rise up and drive over the tops of all the other cars. This is how you're driving. It's your life. It's the way it was always meant to be. On the highway. There's no lights. You can just drive on through. Mind you, there's still the occasional maniac. But if you smile that special smile, you'll just up and fade away. Disappear in your dust. Dust from the highway. Transcendental highway. Take it out. Open it up. Don't look back. Oh, and it's got its own computer.
I live in hotels, tear out the walls. I have accountants pay for it all. They say I'm crazy, but I have a good time. I'm just looking for clues at the scene of the crime. Life's been good to me so far. My Maserati does 185. I lost my license, now I don't drive. I have a limo right in the back. I lock the doors in case I'm attacked. I'm making records, my fans, they can't wait. They write me letters, tell me I'm great. So I got me an office, gold records on the wall. Just leave a message, maybe I'll call. Lucky I'm sane after all I've been through. Everybody say I'm cool. He's cool.
Teddy machine.